Hello people, my name is Anusha. I have enrolled for Salesforce Admin and Developer course with CRS Info Solutions this November. Trust me, so far course is going really great. Initially, I was skeptical about taking up this course, but after taking free 3 days demo session, I just wanted to take up this training. And trust me, I did not make any mistake by choosing this. Training is really great. Many scenarios are covered, many questions from previous interviews are covered, and trainers are very supportive. They'll teach you from the scratch. Trainers have good experience, good knowledge, and many materials will be shared so that you can go through it. Live classes will be there, and again those videos will be shared with you so that you can just practice whenever you're free. CRS Info Solution institution is also very good. Whenever you have any questions related to topics or technical issues or related to training timings or whatsoever, they're always there. So you will get instant reply from them. You can just contact them and they'll be there to help you with all your queries. So I would definitely suggest you to enroll yourself for these courses and take a good benefit.